Okay, good day, guys. Good day to you all. Welcome back to the Formula Sports channel. Thanks for being here. Gentle reminder, as always, to one, knock up like button and also subscribe to the channel and also share the video as well. These are free and easy ways to support the channel. And as always, thanks for the support. Today, we're talking about a quick video about this particular player on your screen, the maestro Ravelino, not even Ravel Morrison, Ravelino. Seeing many people wanting to know what is taking place currently with this player over there in England, right? Many of you know that his contract, he was on a 1-year contract at Derby County, and his contract is now winding down. Seen? So let's read the article and see what a credible source is saying about Ravel Morrison. So this article is on Football Insider and it reads, Preston North End, Huddersfield Town and Sunderland in race to sign Ravel Morrison. That's the headline, ladies and gentlemen, from Football Insider. Preston North End, Huddersfield Town and Sunderland have set their sights on signing Ravel Morrison this summer. Football Insider understands the 29-year-old will be available on a free transfer once his contract at Derby County expires next week. A recruitment source has told Football Insider that a number of championship clubs are interested in signing Morrison on a free transfer. Attacking midfielder was one of Derby's standout players in the 2021-2022 campaign. He contributed 4 goals and 4 assists in 36 championship appearances as the Rams were relegated. Speaking on the 9th of March, as quoted by the Daily Telegraph, Morrison revealed that he definitely wanted to sign a new contract and remain at Pride Park. By the way, for those of you who are listening, this article is currently on your screen, so you can take a look at it, or you can go and search for it yourselves and read it. The article goes on. However, 3 months and a relegation later, the ex-Man United midfielder is set to leave Derby with the club still in administration. Let me skip out this part. This part of it is information that we all know already. Just giving a brief summary of Ravel's career thus far. The article continues. Preston and Huddersfield are considering a move for the attacking midfielder as they look to build squads capable of gaining promotion next season. Sunderland manager Alex Neil wants to add more championship experience to his side following their promotion from League One last month. So, ladies and gentlemen, that's basically the article, that's basically the news surrounding Ravel Morrison at this time. 3 championship clubs heavily interested in Ravelino, aka Ravel Morrison, and these are Preston North End, Huddersfield Town, and Sunderland. We know that Preston North End already has a reggae boy there in a friend of Ravel, which is Daniel Johnson DJ. Huddersfield Town has another reggae boy there in Rolando Irons. And Sunderland, I don't know of any reggae boy or anybody who is eligible to play for the Reggae Boyz being at Sunderland. So I don't know, will any of the Reggae Boyz have a part to play in getting Ravel Morrison to their respective club? I mean, will DJ make a case at Preston North End to bring in a competitor? Because DJ is an attacking midfielder, So would you want competition from Ravel Morrison to take his spot? Really look out for his friend and help him get a contract. Who knows? I don't know. But Ravel Morrison should not have any problems getting a contract. He really and truly should not have any problems getting a contract based on his performances last season. He should be okay. Okay, we're signing a new deal with a new club is concerned. I think he did enough. I think he did enough to prove that he is championship pedigree and that he can add a lot of value to a lot of championship clubs, right? He started for a club that on merit should not have been relegated last season. He was mostly a starter. And on merit, the club really and truly should not have been relegated, because if it wasn't for the points deduction, they would remain in the championship. So I think Ravel proved, when he initially signed with Derby County, there were a lot of question marks about Ravel, and a lot of clubs were kind of hesitant to touch him because they were like, journeyman going all over the place, not really settling, not really proving himself over an extended period of time. But I think he really resurrected his career with Derby County. I will say this much though, I am a little bit concerned about where Ravel goes. I think the environment is very important for Ravel Morrison to thrive. I think it has to be an environment that caters to his needs and an environment in which he feels 100% comfortable to strive. I think that Derby County with Wayne Rooney was a perfect environment for him to strive. And I think that because of the relationship he had with Wayne Rooney, and also because Wayne Rooney knew him, knew his ability, and had an idea of what to do to get the best out of it. So based on that, Derby County was a perfect environment, and I really don't want him to leave Derby County, to be honest with you. I don't, because I really do think Derby and Wayne Rooney are the best environments for this player to sign, or to thrive rather. But if it's a case where he wants to stay in the championship and he doesn't want to go to League One, then it's perfectly understandable. I just hope that wherever he goes, if he does indeed, doesn't re-sign with Derby and moves to a next championship club, or a club that is staying in or will be in the championship next season, I just hope that it's an environment where Ravel would feel comfortable and will strive, and his career won't go off the rails yet again. So guys, that's my 2 cents here, just giving you guys a bit of news from Football Insider, where Preston North End, Huddersfield Town and Sunderland, according to a credible source, is being linked. According to a credible source, Football Insider is being linked with Ravel Morrison. So guys, that's my 2 cents. Knock up the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and also share the video as well. These are free and easy ways to support the channel and give the youths them a strength. Take care guys, stay safe, and until next time.